So how was your first FPV experience?
I felt it like I'm gonna lose my heartbeat.
I'm off to meet a stranger, my new FPV friend. He doesn't know this, but I brought some spare goggles so he can experience FPV for the first time. Do it, you should show everyone. We taught Nick how to fly acro on a Velocidrone. So different from before?
It was really helpful, you know. I feel the difference. I was trying to make it for 20 hours. You were teaching me for an hour, so.
Yeah, and he can fully fly acro now. Yeah.
I'm getting to it.
But he's never been able to see it in real life, so now we're gonna get him to see it in real life off his balcony.
Yeah, I'm excited.
So how was your first FPV experience?
I felt it like I'm gonna lose my heartbeat went up. I was like, it was crazy. Yeah.
And how was
So
the
fun.
analog?
I thought it's really worse quality than it really is, but I'm okay with it. I'll be flying with analog.
He got
for a while.
he got the new HD0 goggles on the day of. I was telling him about them, and then it was like, boom, they're available. Get them now before they get sold out. And this guy lives with him.
It was me so excited. It's full of adrenaline, and I want to try this more for sure. One more time at least.
His radio will come, and then you guys can like fight over the computer. Oh, and he's the
Like
fighter,
Like a
so you gotta
childhood,
watch.
yeah. It's cool. It's cool.
Yeah. Now my wife is gonna kill me.
It's not funny. We have controllers for 20 people that will never get used, that are never played.
She wants to get rid of my video game collection when it's collectors.
It's not
it is.
collectors.
It's just gonna be like, I was supposed to go home and pull the meat out of the freezer. Now I'm not gonna get meat.
Yeah, how are you gonna drive if you drive motorcycle? It's
Motorcycle.
No, I see, but it's will be free.
If it's no ice, I'm good.
No, it's no ice on the road.
I have heated gloves, so yeah. Okay. So yes, first FPV experience. Yay! Bringing FPV to the world.
No, it's cool. It's really nice. And it's cheap, how you say it, right?
Oh, relatively, right?
It's not real.
Still a bit expensive, but yeah, it's fun.
Boys sing.
The cheap stuff's still good. You don't have to have like the newest crap. Plus with DJI, you get the newest stuff, and 2 years later, it's not supported
You know,
anymore.
fun is, especially when you design this and you build it by yourself, assembled all of this, and it's shit work, you know, record the videos. That's the most exciting moment, you know. It's not about the price or something. It's just when you design this and when you like assemble this. It's that's the cool part.
Words of wisdom, yes, yes. Intel, we'll talk to you after you build a few. Like, burn your fingers, break some parts, and like, oh!
Yes, you like get success, right? So that's the fun part.
Yes.